Hi,
Hello, Snan.
how are you today?
I'm good. Thank you. And
That's
what about you?
I'm very good, thanks. I got my first troll today, so I was very excited about that.
Ah, very nice.
Yeah.
So, what was it about?
Oh, so I actually it was like a student that contacted me on Cambly. I've
Okay.
never had a lesson with this person.
Mm-hmm.
And like the introduction was something like, "Whoa, what?" And so I'm like, I'm sorry, like, I don't want to say the name now, but like, is everything okay? Maybe you meant this for another teacher. And they wrote back, they're like, yeah, there's a student from Taiwan that said they found you on TikTok and then they were looking for you in Cambly and that you made them laugh. And this is unbelievable. And this person is so naive. And like, I bet you can't make me laugh. I'm like, what? Yeah. So I was gonna respond and then I was like, I'm just gonna like remove my profile that they can't see it anymore. So like they banned from my profile. So I'm like,
What is
but it's
happening?
I don't know. I've had the weirdest students lately. Like,
It's
but mm,
it's so weird, right? It's like
unexpected. Yeah.
actually
Yeah,
correct.
yeah. So
And
yeah.
where is she or he from?
I didn't even look. I just like I saw the message and I was going to like respond. I'm like, I'm not sure what you're trying to do here. And then I'm like, no, this is a troll. So no matter what I respond, it's just gonna get turned on its head, you know? So like in the chat box, there's like a report, and I just reported the conversation and then they got banned from my profile. It's like, but how are you? How's life?
Everything is good. Thank you so
Mhm.
much. And what about you? Just tutoring or something else?
Oh no, just tutoring at the moment. I have family coming. So my husband's sister is coming, and then my mom and my grandmother are coming after that. So like I have no
Whole family.
Yeah, yeah, they might actually be here at the same time because my husband's Iranian. And his sister can't speak that much English, so he
Oh.
has to translate. Um, so it's quite an interesting, I'm excited to see her. She's lovely, but you know, um, and then I've got my mom and my grandmother coming at the same time, so it's going to be like they call it up to the rafters, basically, like in family.
Interesting. It's interesting.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
cool. Well, actually, today
Mhm.
I want you uh, to tell me, okay, or suggest some words, some vocabulary
Mhm.
which shows a person's personality. So basically, words about personality of a person.
Ah, okay.
So let's see how many words can we cover in the rest of the time of this conversation.
Okay, okay. So do you want me to describe like a person or do you just want me to give some
No,
words?
no example. No example of person. Just words
Mhm.
and which shows personality. For example, kind,
Ah,
right?
okay. Yeah, yeah. No, I have the idea. Yeah. Yeah. Okay,
So
well.
something like
Uh-huh.
some advanced words, some intermediate words, right?
Okay. So there's certain people that we can say are excitable. Okay.
Excited.
Somebody, yeah, excitable.
Yeah, I got it.
um, And if somebody is excitable, it means they easily get excited. Okay. Yeah. Then you have someone that is personable. Okay, which means that they are very pleasant. Like they don't really rub you up the wrong way. They're personable. You know, they've got like
Okay.
a very easygoing manner, so to speak. You
Personable.
have personable, yeah.
It's like person plus able. Personable. Personable.
Yeah, that's correct. That's correct.
Right? Okay.
Um, and then you have abrasive.
Aggressive.
Abrasive. So let me
Oh,
write it
okay.
for you.
Write
Yeah,
it.
abrasive.
I'm,
So,
I'm mention this word in the video so that my viewers can read it.
okay. So let me write abrasive, personable, and excitable.
Aggressive. Okay, I got it.
Yeah,
Personable, aggressive.
abrasive. Yeah. So abrasive is somebody that literally rubs people up the wrong way on purpose. So, like, they very harsh, sometimes a little bit rude. They're just unpleasant. So they're
Okay.
abrasive. They're looking for a fight, you know. Then, if we want to look at something maybe a little bit more middle level, someone that's got an agreeable personality.
Cool.
That that one you know of, yeah, yeah. So agreeable, bubbly.
Agreeable, I got it. Bubbly, no. It's a
Bubbly
new word.
is
Bubbly.
ah oh, okay. Well, bubbly. If somebody's got a bubbly personality, they're just like it's kind of like me, like kind of happy and smiling all the time, like bubbly. You know.
Actually, there's a word,
Uh-huh.
bubbly, in Hindi, and this is the name of girl.
Of oh oh, there we
So,
go.
so
Oh,
I know this word as a name of a person, okay, of a girl.
oh,
Yeah,
oh, okay. Yeah. So this is now um bubbly. So let me think what else. So
aggressive.
aggressive. Yeah, aggressive is one you mentioned earlier. And so that's someone that is looking for a fight.
So two
Um,
types of words, right? Two types of
yeah.
words. So we can divide like the positive words, negative
Yes.
words.
Yes. Yeah.
Positive word for positive person,
Those are for likable
personality,
characteristics.
characteristic.
Yes, yes. And then we